I thought it'd be fun to do a little hula hooping video. Whee! I thought it'd be fun to show you guys some really easy, simple tricks that you can do if it's your first time or if you're a beginner and stuff like that. Get down, bitch! Let me see you back it up! Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up! I have only been hula hooping for a year, but I do it close to every single day because
I have nothing else to do.
So, tip number 1, find a hoop that you really like. Over time, you will find a hoop that is your perfect size and a weight that you really like. There are some really light ones and then there's also some really heavy ones. But I think over time, you try different ones out and find one that you think is the perfect match for you. I had to go through all of these hoops to find out which size fits me best. This is my second hoop. It's also huge. It does a trick. I used to think that this was the hoop for me and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this hoop so much. It's a perfect size. It's beautiful. I love the weight of it. But then I was like, I'm going to try to get a smaller size. And look how tiny this one is. So this one is a 27-inch and it is my favorite hoop. And I love this one. So yeah, just find your little perfect match. And now I look back on that big LED hoop and I'm like,
oh my gosh, that's huge.
Tip number 2, how to find a good hula hoop. They have hula hoops at Walmart, but they suck. These ones are the 4 that I have at Walmart. This one's a really common one that has LED on it. And these little shaky ones with the beads, water-filled ones, and just a normal one of these ones with the beads in it also. And these are not very good. They make them with the beads and water in them, so when you do it around your waist, it keeps the momentum going and it's like really heavy. But when you're actually hula hooping and you're doing tricks and stuff like that, kind of like the water and the beads kind of get in the way of it. So, my favorite place to get hula hoops is Etsy, and they are handmade by artists and people who really enjoy making hula hoops and that, so definitely support them. They are a little bit more expensive, but that's because they're really beautiful, they're really pretty, and yeah, so like $30, sometimes $40 for a hula hoop. I know what you're thinking.
Why would I spend $40 on a hula hoop?
Because it's beautiful and you're gonna love it, I promise. But I love this one so much. The tape on it is color changing. It's so beautiful. And this one is a 27-inch, my favorite one. And each corner you can take off like this. And it folds down and you can make it like this big. And it's so cute. You can carry it with you wherever you want to go. So that's why I got this one and I love this one. This one was $40, but totally worth it. I love it so much. So if you're gonna get a hula hoop, I prefer going to Etsy.com. That's actually where I sell my art. And yeah, get a hula hoop off there. They're really good. I will put some pictures of some really good shops right here that are really good. Tip number 3, wear kinda tight-ish clothes. Try not to wear your hair up in a knot at the top because it'll get in the way. And don't wear any really long necklaces. Tip number 4, music. When you're hula hooping and you listen to dubstep, you are going to want to hula hoop so fast because when you start getting in the zone and stuff like that, like, I don't know how to explain it. Be prepared. What music you listen to is kind of the style of dance that you're going to be doing. Like if you listen to reggae, you're probably gonna move like really slow and like sway and stuff like that. Or if you're listening to like a rap song, like a really heavy rap song, you're gonna wanna go like really fast and stuff like that. So if you're a beginner, maybe listen to something that's just like really chill and something you could just vibe to and go slow with. And yeah. Tip number 5, be prepared to fail.
That should be my life motto.
And it's the same thing with everything in life. The more that you practice something, the better that you will get at it. When I first started drawing, I was so bad at it and I was literally gonna give up. I was like, I can't even draw a circle or a stick figure or anything like that. But the more that you practice, the better you become. Think about it, like when you first listen to a song, you don't know what it's going to be about, you don't know what the lyrics are or anything like that, but the more you listen to it, the more lyrics that you know, and then you remember the lyrics like it's nothing, and you could sing the whole song in your head, and it's like inside your head, and you remember the lyrics forever. I guess what I'm saying is practice makes perfect, and don't get frustrated, and just keep going with it. please just keep going with it. It is so freaking fun. I can't even tell you how fun it is, especially when you really start to get the hang of it. You could just literally flow anywhere that you want. It literally, like, the hoop just becomes like a part of you and you don't want to let it go. It's so fun. That's why I want to teach you. It's so fun. Well, I'm going to teach you guys 5 really easy, simple little moves that you can do. And all these moves that I'm about to teach you, you can combine into a little routine and put them all together. It's lit. Disclaimer though, I don't know the names of any of them. There is probably over like 1,000 different kinds of moves that you can do, and they all have names, and they're all like really weird, crazy weird names. So I never really learned the names of them, so I'm just gonna be like, yeah, this one, and then you do this one. So I'm sorry that I don't know the names of them, and I'm gonna teach you guys because I'm your mommy, and I love you. Alright, so first one I'm gonna teach you, once again, I don't know the name, alright? But yeah, pretty much you're going to put it in between your thumb and all of your other fingers like that. And basically whenever you're like doing something like this, you're always going to want to put it just right in between there. So you're going to go like this, and yeah, it's a good time. And then you're going to grab it and go like this, and then back to that. This, then grab it, and then just keep holding it, move it around, and back this way. So it looks like this. So when you put it on this side of you, it's like you kind of put your thumb on it when you grab it, and then your thumb is always first like in front. So you move it around like that, like a figure 8 kind of. It's just like that. But when you're going like this, you always hold on to the hoop really good. Like you don't want to like, you know, like try to like do something weird with it. You just hold on to it. So just like that. So grab. See, it's an easy one. Maybe you won't get it at first, but you'll get it after a couple times. See what it looks like straight ahead? Yeah, yeet, yeah, yeet. And then, if you want to do it double on this side, you move it to this side and you swing it on your thumb. So watch. Literally on your thumb. So you open the palm of your hands and you spin it on your thumb. So 2 times. 2 times. And then another one, you can do the same thing that we've been doing and put your hand behind your back and transfer it. Like that. So do this, what we just learned. Put your hand behind your back and grab it. Like that. So let me do it in slow motion for you guys. So you're spinning it, hand behind your back, grab it, spin one more time, and then grab it with the other hand. So it looks like this. And then you can kind of throw it up a little bit if you want. Like that. See, it's pretty. You just keep doing it. That one's really fun and really easy. Alright, so now that we got the side-to-side thing down, so we got this one, we got the thumb, we got the behind the back, and then transfer it like that. Now we are going to do this way. So yeah, you can just keep practicing. And you can just move it like that, around this way. You could go the opposite direction. This one's really fun. Boy! This one's really fun and kind of easy. And you're just transferring it to your back. And just grabbing it. And try not to, when you grab it, try not to grab it so tight. It's kind of just like passing it over motion. You're just passing it to one another. And you could spin it and hit the corner. Spin it the other way. Hit the corner. It's like your body is in the center and the hoop is like the dancer going around you, you know? So that's really fun. Just make it go all the way around. I love this one, this one's fun. Okay, third trick, ready? Above your head, right? Grab it with the other hand and spin down and put the hoop downwards and then upwards and spin it again. So you are spinning it on the top like this again. Let's see if you can see it like this. See my hand? Spin it above your head and make sure your hand is pretty much all the way upwards. And then grab it, spin, down, and back up again. So spin, grab, and spin down, and then back up. It's that easy. And then you could put the move that we did before this. It's lit. And another thing you can do is when you grab it and you spin down, instead of going like up and down like this, you can make it go like this way. So it's like a wave kind of. Gonna go up and then learn your other little tricks that you were doing. Like that. And then like this. Whee! And there you go. You just learned 3 tricks. Trick number 4, you wave it in front of you, and you just jump right through it, put it over your head, tap the floor, and throw it up and catch it. And then you could do this little thing that you learned and go like that. You can go like this if you want. And whenever you're ready, jump, tap the ground, throw it up, and catch it. It's that easy. With the 4 tricks that I just taught you, you can literally make your own routine and put it all together.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is going to be the last trick. It's kinda tricky, but once you get it, it's gonna click in your head and be like, oh my god, that's so easy. Well, you'll get it, fam. Trust me, you'll get it. So it goes like this. That's what it looks like. Is wave it all the way up in the air, start it out this way, and you're gonna circle it all the way around, duck your head a little bit, and once it gets right here, literally just let it go, and it slides. So start way up, swing it all the way around, and once it gets right here, literally just put your arm in it and drop it. All the way around, and put your arm in it, and it literally just falls. Like it just falls. Like the faster you do, the easier it'll be. See? I thought this trick was so hard because it looks hard, like complicated, but it's so easy. So like this. Catch. And you'll start to get really good at it, and you could do it backwards. So congratulations, you just learned 5 little simple hula hoop tricks. And if you put them all together and you play some music, it'll be really fun. Let's try it out. And that's how you hula hoop. thank you so much for watching this video. If you're a beginner hooper and learn a couple things, send a video to me because I want to see you hoop. That's so cute. If you guys like this video, let me know and I'll make some more if you want. Good luck with your hooping journey. Please don't give up. It'll be hard at first, but you'll get it. And it'll flow all together and you'll be so beautiful.